Hey you guys, Sarah Peternell here with Family Nutrition Services. I wanted to share with you a quick announcement that's really important. I recently did a video all about nature Throid and some of the other um, desiccated natural thyroid medication treatments. I have recently gotten some information about the nature Throid and NP thyroid voluntary recall by these companies that manufacture them. And I think it's really important, if you haven't already heard this from your doctor, to please contact your doctor if you're taking these medications. So nature Throid and NP thyroid, you'll need to check in with your doctor and have your thyroid levels tested. So both of these had many lot numbers recalled for super potent doses, or even doses for low potency. So meaning that they either had too high of a thyroid hormone or too low of thyroid hormone, and this could impact your health. If you didn't, see this in the news, or maybe it wasn't made an announcement to you from your endocrinologist office or your primary care office, or even maybe from your pharmacy office, you do need to check in with whoever your prescribing physician is for this medication. My doctor, I'm not taking this medication right now, but my doctor always recommends that if you haven't had labs in like the last 3 months or so, it's a good idea just to kind of check in. My doctor is wonderful. She's always following up and making sure that the medication is the right medication and the right dose. I really appreciate that about her. So it's just my reminder today, both, that it's very, very important to check into this recall if you're taking nature Throid or NP thyroid, and to also visit with your doctor if you are taking those drugs, to talk about what an alternative medication might be. And if you're not taking those, hey, this is always just my good reminder to you that it's never a bad idea to check in and go get your labs drawn with your provider, so you know what your levels are and you can see if you can attribute those to any symptoms that you might be having. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon.